Imagine waking up to find out your business made $10,000 overnight, while you were sleeping. Sound impossible? Not anymore. Watch how this AI is revolutionizing the way we run businesses. Meet Business AI, the future of entrepreneurship. While traditional business owners are drowning in tasks, AI-powered businesses are running 24/7, handling everything automatically. Watch as it processes hundreds of emails in seconds, crafting personalized responses and organizing your inbox into actionable priorities. No more endless email chains. Your marketing? Completely automated. The AI analyzes market trends, creates targeted ad campaigns, and optimizes them in real time. It's like having a full marketing team working round the clock. Customer support that never sleeps. AI chatbots handle inquiries instantly, schedule appointments, and resolve issues, maintaining a 98% satisfaction rate. Your customers are always taken care of. Watch your finances manage themselves. The AI tracks expenses, processes invoices, and identifies cost-saving opportunities automatically. It even predicts future revenue trends with 92% accuracy. All these systems work together seamlessly. Your business runs like a well-oiled machine, while you focus on growth and innovation, or just enjoy more free time with family. Business owners using this technology are seeing average revenue increases of 47% within the first 3 months, while cutting their workload by 80%. Ready to future-proof your business? Click the link below to get early access to Business AI. The first 100 subscribers get 50% off for life. Don't let your competition get ahead. Join the AI revolution today.